It's 3:30 vending machine.
Fuck out of here.
Shopping.
Go.
Where you want to get to eat, Kyle? What kind of snack?
Three Musketeers bar, Damon.
Three Musketeers.
That's all I gotta say about that.
Will the hot security guard be down there?
No, she won. I think I scared her away. Boom, 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 boom.
It's a never-ending hall of doom. Like, you can't even see where it ends through this camera right now.
You know, pretty much every other video is going to be 20 minutes walking.
No,
Right.
we can't do that. But then we get back to this hellhole. It is 3:30 in the morning. Hold on.
Watch out for this Puerto Ricans. 3 in the morning.
Fucking idiot.
No, I don't. Holy fucking
Hang on.
Milano cookies.
This is the best vending machine. Look, we got all these chips, beautiful chips. And then wait. Extra size big condoms. Surge size the Twizzlers and Snickers bar. Don't forget the caramel creams. Right beside the condoms. God forbid I need to cover my dick and get myself some milk chocolate Hershey's chocolate.
You're completely aware of the people behind this. You hear all of this. This is gonna be a tough one. Caramel cream or Trojan condom? Wait, they have Nicot cookies. Sorry, Nicot cookies. Oh wait, baby back ribs? Oh, they're potato chips.
No baby back ribs for dollar vending machine. What did Kyle get? Stuck to his choice and got Musketeers.
No.
Son of a bitch. For my nickel. TV.
You sat down here in like your robe and slept
The laundry.
TV in the morning with your coffee. Someone came back and just scared.
Good morning.
What are you doing? No. It is.
Cash it.
Why don't you show me the new trick, Damon?
What?
It's just me slamming your head into.
No.
Okay, I didn't know that all 75 pounds of you shakes an entire elevator.
Lounge area. Where all the cool kids hang out and eat apples.
That really terrified me. I felt somebody right there.
Look, Kyle, I'm dancing on the table. I'm dancing on the table. Dancing on the table. Dancing on the table. Dancing on the
If you put this on the internet, Damien, I probably will kill
Dancing on the
myself.
table. Dancing on the table. Dancing. Now I'm walking on the floor. I'm walking. You
Give me a back.
going down my pants. Oh, yeah. Maggie Simpson lives in this room. Don't disturb her.
And Clifford, the red dog. I don't know what studio exec pitched that one. Well, he's a giant red dog. And that's it.
It's fucking.
I don't remember what Clifford was about, but I'm pretty sure he was just a giant dog, and that was it.
He was a big red dog.
Yeah, but did he, like, have a superpower? Or was he just...
Yes, he had the superpower to rescue children from burning houses.
I'm pretty sure that's you being a fucking idiot. What is that?
Apparently Kyle lives here. They're going to see this video. You know, you do realize that one guy watches my videos and they're... You better put it back. He's going to see this.
No, he's not. You get rid of this. We got better footage of this anyway. You goddamn better not put that up. I will kick your fucking head right off your shoulders.